Hi everyone, it's me Mitch again. Welcome back to my vlog. And for today's video, we are here sa Wandaran. Dito ako ngayon sa Thailand. And we are doing a tour. Okay, so excuse me. Okay, so sitting pretty ako sa ating chair. Okay, so dito sa Wandara, we have lots of camping equipment. Okay, so we have tents, we have boxes, we have chairs, and a lot of stuff pa. Okay, so ayan. There. We have a room full of stuff for camping. And ayun. So basically, this is a camping heaven. Okay. So ikot tayo. Okay, so here, dito sa first floor, we have here domestic boxes. We have every kinds of boxes here. Okay, na pwede magamit for your camping. Okay, so see, this one is a pretty mid-size one. Okay, we also have water jug, 11 liters, and we have here a Coleman. And so it's a fridge basically. Okay, and then aside from that, we also have mugs and thermal bottles. Okay, have self-powered water tap na kino-connect lang dun sa mga jugs na kagaya nito. And then we also have generators. We have this lutuan. Okay, lutuan, and then there more generators. Then we have here bags. These are eco bags. This one, eco bags.
But we're in sales.
Eco bag na I think double purpose as a
most of the times
pillow.
we're on the field.
Then here we have camping bags.
Visiting some dealers.
This one is dry bag. And then yan, more dry bags. And then okay, also have here towels.
Yeah.
Maliit siya pero sobrang absorbent niya. And super light towel. Okay, so tingnan natin. This one, okay, ito super light towel na to is worth 650 baht. Okay. It's a little expensive. It's a little bit on the expensive side, pero it's gonna be very absorbent and very space saving. Okay. So next, now we have here bags, more bags. Okay, then ito lutuan. Yan, more lutuan. Meron ding yakiniku plate. Oh, saan ka pa magkakabing na kaya yakiniku plate? Oh, yan, ating mga fuel, isobutane. Okay. There, yan. More lutuan, mga cast iron camp oven. Yan. And then here, we have yung mga pang shower. Kasi syempre, mag-glamping tayo, magka-camping tayo. Syempre gusto natin may tubig. Yung hindi tayo hirap sa tubig. So, ayan. Meron tayong ganyan. O, may bidet nozzle. O. Tapos ito, meron din ditong grill. And ito, microfiber towel. This one, magkano to? This is 1,150 baht. Pero parang bet ko to. Gusto ko nito. Yan. Okay. Next, ikot pa tayo dito. Super big insulated jug. This one is 3,785 ml. And it is 2,000 baht. Huh? Ba't ito 2,000 baht? Ito nakalagay 2,200. So, yun. I think this one is 2,200 kasi meron tayong sana yun? 2.5. Ito. Hindi. Meron kasi ditong 2.5 liters. Ito. 2.5 liters na ito yung 2,000 baht. Okay. So, So, ayan. Tapos, maliban dyan, meron pa tayo dito mga more stuff for camping. This one is LED fan light. Okay, so this one is 3,100 baht. Tapos meron din tayong tot line kit. Meron tayo ditong drop point knife. 1,350 baht. Yan. Tapos, ayan. Mga tent pegs. Para sa ating tents. Malamang, tent pegs nga eh. Tapos, meron pa tayong folding knife. 1,200 baht. Ito, may mas maliit. Clip folding knife. 800 baht. Lockdown price. Multi-tool. 3,200 baht. Armbar. Slim cut. Multi-tool din siya. 1,900 baht. Ito, multiplier. Pliers. 1,400 baht. Clip folding knife. 1,600 baht. Ayan. Ito, ano to? Freeze camp hatch. Palakol. 3,400 baht. Okay. So, ayan pa. Then, we also have lamps here. Mga lamps natin. Ito, meron mga mini lamps. Meron mga bigger ones. Yan. We also have spotlights. Okay. See. Ayan. It's working. Hindi lang ito. Okay, so yung mas malakas, tapos blinking, yun. Okay, this is the Lumos Ozy Trail R1200 Lumos Spotlight, which is 2,500 baht. Okay, yan pa. More mugs, camp mugs. Then this one, lights. Okay. And then more mugs and tumblers. Okay, so this one, meron tayo ditong camping setup. Okay, so basically we have our tent there. Tapos we have our coolers, yung lutuan natin. Ito, ayan o, nagluluto, nag-grill. Diba? Tapos meron din dyan, painitan ng water. Tapos meron tayong meron tayo dyan chair, ang ating table with the lagayan. Tapos may mga tumblers, yung ating yakiniku plate. Tapos meron din lamp. So ayan, meron tayong mga water bottle dito. Tapos dito meron tayong parang sabitan dyan ng mga pagkain na pwede rin natin makita. Ito meron din parang barbecue thingy. So what you call this? Portable wood fire stove. Okay, so going here, we also have more grills, and then the chairs. Ito, yung fan. Oy, malakas ng fan niya. For that small size, malakas siya. Tingnan. Malakas. Yan lang yung fan. Ay, presko. Dito na lang ako pupwesto. Okay, so yan. Ikot pa tayo. So, by fan. Okay. Yan. We have the lamps. Ayan. So, basically, naka-ano lang siya. Naka-spread out lang dito. Pero, nandun nga sa kabilang side yung mga items. Tapos ito, meron din tayo mga meron din tayo mga boots. Then, more bags. And, the knives. Yan. Okay, so, let's go upstairs. Hello.
You want coffee?
Sure. Later. Thank you. Okay, so, ayun, akyat tayo dito sa second floor. Yan. Yan. Okay, so we have here the tents. We have here the coolers pa. And then, eto, meron tayo ditong shower tent. Okay. Yan. So, during camping, pwede tayo dyan magsabit dito. Yan. Pwede natin sabitan to ng ating shower head. And then, dito, lagay mo yung mga gamit mo. Ito, pwede natin isabit to. Itong shower head na to. Yan. And then, ligo-ligo. Kalabaw. Ay, sorry. Yan. Okay. What's this one? This is a water lagay ng tubig. Yan. Pioneer shower. Then here, meron tayong very, very big na director, na chair. Not a director's chair, but a chair. Yan. And then, this one is a very, very large tent. How many people can you accommodate to this tent?
10.
10. Okay, so this big tent can accommodate up to 10 people. Okay, this one. So, pasok tayo. Ayan. Okay, so pagpasok yan, may maluwag na area dito. Ayan. And then, kabila. Yan. So, kabilang sa yan. Pwede mo lagay ng higaan dito if you want. Pero you can also sleep din sa baba. Okay. So, here, meron din tayong medyo mas maliit na tent. Ito. I think can accommodate up to 2 packs. Ayan. Actually, ano na siya? Meron na siyang kutsyon. Yan. Go. Ayan. So, this one. It's a big tent. Ayan, oh. Ang ating team dito sa TJM Wandara. There. Okay. Here, meron din tayo yung basic tent lang. Ito. Ayan. Tables, chairs. This one is Big Pig. Big Pig. OZ Pig. Big Pig. It's a charcoal grill. Okay, so yan. And then here, going up here, meron pa isang level. So, ayan o. Meron tayo dito parang sleeping bag then Swift Pitch BV. Yung nakalagay dun. So, this one. Here, we have mats. Okay. And sleeping bags. And we have the sleeping gears here. And sa pang tent, they have, dito meron naman tayong parang folding bed na tent na solo. Ayan. So, ganyan. Ito pa siya. So, this one's nice. Yan. Okay. So, it's an OZ Tent Bunker Pro. Ayan. So, Camprite. The original tent cot. Ayan, it's a cot. Tapos, meron na rin siyang kutsyon. Ayan. And more folding beds. Okay. Yan. So, yan pa. May mga dome tents. Mga ganyan. Okay, so basically, talagang this is a camping heaven if you're going camping. So, yan, if you're ever here in Thailand, go visit Wandara, which is beside our TJM showroom and store as well. And actually, TJM products we have in the Philippines. So, go check it out if you need something from TJM or anything off-road. Go message me and leave a comment in the comment section. Alright guys, so yon. Medyo napagod ako doon actually. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. More 4x4 videos coming soon. Alright, so guys, thank you and see you later. Bye-bye!